After months of planning, you find the perfect fruit tree and the perfect place in your garden for it. However, after 3 months of being planted, you realize it's not at the perfect place anymore. We'll show you how we move the loquat tree and tell you why we move it. We moved the loquat tree because when we were in the planting stages, this structure here wasn't even on the radar. It wasn't planned, but now that we have it installed here, we love it. So because of the closeness of the tree to the trellis, we felt that in order for the tree to thrive and for the vegetation or the squash that we're planning on climbing the trellis, the tree needed to be further away. And so just because you plant something, it doesn't mean you can't move it. It's easier for it to move before the roots actually get established early on its life than when it has been in place for several years. So yes, moving is stressful to the plant, just as it is to people, but it can be done. When we moved the tree to its secondary home, we did 100% native soil, and we planted the tree about 1/2 inch above the soil level. So we did the tight and high method. The takeaway is just because you put something in a particular location, it doesn't mean you can't move it. You can, and just as your garden matures and grows, the amount of shade and light that you have will shift, will change. You'll either need to prune your tree or move your plants. So change with it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.